So yeah, this video is not gonna be long at all. I just want to show you guys how I was able to build a very good gaming PC for how much? Roughly about $600 or $700. So this is it. So I've been always trying to build my PC, right? But been always procrastinating to do until I was finally forced to do it. I have a 2017 MacBook Pro base model, and I've been using that for the past couple years to edit my videos, and pretty much all my videos are in 4K. I was using iMovie. It was working pretty fine with that, but I feel like I gotta step up my game, man. I gotta get into the Adobe suite. So I tried Premiere Pro on that computer, but it's just not working, man. First of all, it was just freezing a lot, and had my project crashing on me, and also like I'm running out of space as well, because I think it's 256 gigabytes, and that's just not too much. So it was time for me to like upgrade my PC, so I invested in this. I don't know if it's in the frame, but here I finally invested in a PC, but I just don't want to buy like a build PC. I want to build something myself because it's something that I always wanted to do. So I did some research, and based on the specs that I was looking for, it was gonna cost me about $1,000+ to like build a PC that I want to build. And I wasn't trying to spend that much because like it was my first build, and also it was kind of like a practice for me as well. So but what I did is I actually went online on the eBay, Amazon, and all the like local market like Facebook Market and OfferUp, and start looking for those parts. So I was able to find like very good deals on most of them that pretty much got me to like almost half the price of what I was gonna pay if I was gonna like build it from brand new scratch. But yeah, enough of the ramble. Let me get into the specs so you can see what I'm dealing with here. Starting up with the case, this is a NZXT H510 mid-tower case, and this case cost me $50. The CPU is a Ryzen 5 3600, 6-core 12 threads, and this cost $150. The cooler is a NZXT Kraken X63 liquid cooler. The cost for this was $94. I actually got a discount for it because the cooler was missing a part that I don't really need for this build. The memory is a Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 32 DDR4. This cost me $100. Motherboard is MSI B450 Tomahawk ATX motherboard, cost me $70. The SSD is a 970 Evo Plus by Samsung, and that's 500 gigabytes, cost me $80. The GPU is NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti, that cost me $150. Power supply is EVGA 650 watts, and that cost me $40. So this whole build cost $754, and to be honest, I feel like it worth every single penny because it handles 4K editing with no problem, even with all the effect and all the stuff added to it, and also the exporting time is very quick. I'm very pleased with the performance of it. If I was gonna get these parts from Newegg or Micro Center, this whole build would have cost me at least $1,000, and I was able to get a huge deal on some of these parts. But I don't know how this PC will perform gaming wise because I'm not a PC gamer and I don't plan on playing PC games on it. But I want you guys to let me know in the comments below, what do you think based on the specs that I put up. So there you have it, a very beastly PC for the low. I mean, I know I took the risky route, but to be honest, I've been buying and selling on this site for a while now, so I know what I'm doing, man. But I mean, if you want to take the same route as well, I would just say just be careful, because to be honest, I think I did the right choice as well, because I've been using it for the past 4 months now, and I haven't had any issues with it. Most of the parts also were like brand new. It just happened that the people that bought it from would just needed the money, or they just want to get rid of it. And you get that a lot online. You can see people like that just need money and wouldn't mind like letting the price go for like those reasonable prices, you know. So I would just say you may just have to look around. And it took me a while for me to like come up with like all these parts. It's not like a one-day process. Maybe like I found the case today, and I think it took me like, I had the case for a month before I started buying all the other stuff. The whole process took about 2 months for me to get those good deals, and I had to make sure that the processor was brand new, the SSD was brand new, the graphics card was, I mean, I can say almost new, because the dude that I bought it for said that he just bought it to test the build that he was putting together. So he never like actually used it. So that also is practically new. And also actually almost everything is new, come to think about it. Because the power supply too is like sealed in the box. They only use stuff with the housing, the case, and the motherboard. And the memories, yes. So pretty much I'll just say look around and you can get those deals. But if you want to take this route as well, you also got to be mindful. The first step that I would suggest is for you to first check eBay and Amazon. Those sites usually have like used or open box, or what's it called, returns sometimes, that you can get for like reasonable prices. So if you can find those on those sites, I would say go for those, because your money is always guaranteed back if those parts don't work well. But if you can't find it on those sites, I would say check on Facebook Markets, OfferUp. There's a couple other ones like 5 Miles and all that. Check those sites. I'm pretty sure you can come up with nice ones, but I would say stick to the open box or slightly used ones. Also always communicate with the seller as well. Ask them like, why are you selling it? How long have you used it? Usually they'll be upfront with you. And the last thing I would suggest as well is try to pay with PayPal, even if you're meeting up with the person, because what PayPal does, PayPal still puts a warranty on your money, just in case you take the parts home and found out that it's not working. That's the way it's supposed to work. You can always ask PayPal to get in and see if you can get your money back. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And also, please, when you're meeting up with people, don't meet them at night. Stay away from there. And always try to meet them in public location, because some people are just weird, man. So stay away from that. But yeah, enough of the ramble. If you find value in this content, please consider subscribing to this channel and check out my other content as well. That was a weird ending, but catch you guys on the next one. Peace.